lovelies, Jennifer Ziliotto here, back for another style fix video. Thank you for joining me again this week on my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about summer and summer plans. Some of you might be thinking about going to Europe this summer. I know I am. And yesterday somebody asked me, how do I pack for when I go to France? And it's true, it is quite tricky simply because we don't want to take too much with us. Often we're traveling with carry-on luggage. Let's face it, in Europe, it's a little bit dressier than it is here in terms of styling. And also it is so hot, especially if you're going anywhere like France or Italy, Portugal, Spain, Greece. So all of those things you have to kind of take into consideration. So today I want to show you really simple outfits that you can do day or night that are perfect to take with you to Europe this summer. So for my first outfit, it starts with dressing for the plane. Something that's really comfortable, that looks a little dressy. Here I've got this striped, my favorite pant on, a linen shirt, and then a jacket over top. A Converse shoe because it's really comfortable, and then a big bag to carry everything in. Finally, I'm going to add in a scarf because it's always cold on the plane, and this is going to work with some of my other looks. So this outfit is for when I arrive. I've taken off my jacket, switched out my Converse for a slide, added in sunglasses, put a little headscarf on so my hair is off my face, switched out my big bag for a little crossbody bag, and this is the kind of outfit where I feel relaxed. I'm not ready to unpack yet. I'm ready to go sit on a terrace, have a glass of wine, and take in all the sights. All right, this outfit is super comfortable. I've got the Converse sneakers on again, these little sort of Japanese-inspired barrel cotton poplin pants, a cotton poplin shirt, and then that same crossbody bag. It's so comfortable, and I feel like I could wear this to sightsee, to a gallery, out for lunch, shopping, whatever the occasion. And to take this outfit to out for dinner, I've taken off this Converse sneakers, put on my slides, just simply carrying the bag, not on the crossbody, and added in a really simple red cuff. It's comfortable, it feels like it's great for kind of a casual dinner, and really, really works. If it's a little bit on the cooler side, then I've got a scarf with me in a very similar tone, just to wrap around my neck if we're sitting outside and there's a little bit of a breeze. This outfit is really casual. It's really European styling. I saw a lot of this kind of pant last summer when I was in France, and it's the kind of thing I would wear out for lunch or to the farmer's market kind of thing. Something where we're running errands and I want to be really comfortable in the heat. So to take this outfit to evening, I've styled the cotton poplin shirt in two different ways. Here I have it completely buttoned up. I'm adding in the crossbody bag once again, and then my simple slide. This outfit feels very casual. It's really, really comfortable. It's the perfect kind of outfit to wear if you're feeling a little bit tired and almost want to be wearing your pajamas, but know you have to be out. Love it. If it is a really, really hot night, then I can unbutton the blouse a little bit, add in a little chain, gold chain necklace, and voila. In this outfit, I've got this really fun oversized polka dot long skirt on, a pair of sandals, a really simple cotton v-neck t-shirt. I've added in a belt to define my waist and dress it up a little bit, dress up the t-shirt a little bit, and then my big carry-all bag for water bottle, sun hat, everybody else's stuff, as well as my own. This is the kind of outfit I definitely wear doing a lot of sightseeing, spending a lot of time outside. And to take this look to evening, I just switched out the v-neck t-shirt for the cotton poplin shirt, tied it at the front, kept my same sandals on from earlier, kept the same carry-all bag, and I feel like this outfit is really fun. It's really European feeling to me, and if it's a little bit cooler wherever we're going, or if we're sitting outside and there's a breeze, then I've got my same shawl scarf that I had on the plane. Super simple, really lovely and relaxed. Next up is an outfit that I would definitely wear if we were going to the beach or spending some time by the water. Really fun little flirty boho dress on in cotton with those same sandals, the big carry-all bag, added in my little headscarf again, and then a pair of sunglasses. You can see how all these outfits are working with the accessories because everything in terms of the palette is really cohesive. It all works together so that I have a lot of choice in order to mix and match. And then finally, to make this outfit a little bit dressier, I've belted at the waist with that same belt that I had on earlier. I've got the cute little crossbody bag that I can either carry in my hand or wear crossbody, and then kept the same sandals on. This outfit can either be for a dressier daytime look or again for evening. So voila, my lovelies. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave a comment down below. You know I love hearing from you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know whether or not you liked this kind of video. Thanks to everyone who joined last week's The Power of Color in Style workshop. It was so much fun. We had a great time. It's such a great little community. Don't forget to continue to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. And if you want to check out my Substack, please feel free to do so.